guys, it's Sheena over here at SheenBalla. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for being here. Thank you for subscribing, and thank you for anything. So I am doing an influencer box this time. They didn't send a little card, so I have no clue what the damn theme is, and based on the stuff that's in the box, I really don't know what the theme is. So here goes nothing. First things first, this is Dove's Mink Care. Goes on instantly dry spray. Stain Defense Cool, so I think it's a deodorant. I really have no purpose for it, but I have a 14-year-old son who needs as much help as he can get in the armpit area. So he will use this, and I will follow up on social media to let you guys know how it works out. So make sure you're following my social media at SheenBalla and Twitter, at SheenBalla on Instagram, and at SheenBalla on Facebook. Now, next is Pantene Pro V in the shower foam conditioner. I've never seen anything like that before. I wonder, it smells good. Let's see what happens. Oh, it's foam. It's really foam. It smells pretty good. I will also use this and post my results on the social medias. Daily moisture renewal for fine, flat hair, light moisture and zero weight. I wouldn't consider my hair to be fine nor flat, so may have to send this out to someone who has fine flat hair. If you have fine flat hair and you want this product, let me know. Leave something in the comments and I'll get it out to you, because I don't really see myself using a whole bunch of this. What is next? We have some Mott Sensibles apple juice. As you guys know, I have a 3-year-old as well whose favorite thing on the planet is juice. So he will be the recipient of this little product. Sensibles non-GMO, that's big right now. Contains 100% juice. Apple juice concentrate, coconut water, zucchini, and lettuce juice. You can make juice from lettuce, like whatever. Ascorbic acid. Vitamin C, raspberry juice concentrate, vegetable juice, lemon juice, contains coconut. Unsweetened, pasteurized, refrigerate after opening, settling is natural. It says used best by January 3rd, 2019, so we have some time. 30% less sugar than apple juice, and it's 100% real juice. So, all right, Mott's, we will get Jack's opinion on this product and we will post it. Last but not least is Tiki Twin Tug. Looks like a doggy toy, like a chew toy. I could probably entertain my kids with it for quite some time. It squeaks, it's definitely a chew toy. I know the perfect little puppy to send this to. So, yeah. And it's from the company called Bark. Tiki Twin Tug, let's see what it says. 2 classic squeakers, fuzzy interior, t-shirt, rope tug. So this will provide hours of fun to your lovely puppy or aggressive cat if your cat is into tug of war or whatever. You could probably entertain a real cool 3-year-old with one of these bad boys. So I will get this stuff sent out, except for the deodorant. We're keeping that deodorant. We need that in the house. And let me know if you guys want that conditioner. Do you guys use Influencer? I use it. Follow me on Influencer. I'll put all my information down here in the bottom, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.